Hello, third grade, and welcome to Grammar for today. We're going to continue looking at abstract nouns. Now, we learned that there are two kinds of nouns. There are concrete nouns. There are nouns that we can see, taste, touch, or feel, like giraffe, pizza, cell phone, or camera. And then we learned that abstract nouns are nouns that we cannot see. They are things, but we cannot see them, we can't touch them, we can't feel them. Those are things like ideas, compassion, love, luck. Today in our lesson, we are going to be answering questions and then doing a color by number. Please go to your class kick and we will begin this activity together. As you can see at the top, I gave you a hint. If you can touch, feel, taste, or see it, it is a concrete noun. Just like you could touch the concrete on the ground, you can touch, feel, taste, or see concrete nouns. So before we start this top part, we are going to have to scroll down and answer the questions. We will do the first two together and you will do the rest on your own. Number 1, Melissa receives an award for her courage. So I'm looking at the word courage. Is that something I can see, touch, taste, feel? Or is it something I cannot see, touch, taste, or feel? Courage, I can't go grab a courage and bring it over here and show you. I can't taste a courage. I can't feel a courage. So courage is an abstract noun. So let me show you how this works. So because it is an abstract noun, that means that everything that has a 1, I will color yellow. So I'll go up to the top, zoom in, and color everything that is an abstract noun yellow. Everything that's 1. Color in all of those. And I'll go down to number 2. Number 2, just 25 days until summer break, which means freedom from me, for me. Can I see freedom? Can I touch freedom? Can I feel it with my hands? Can I see it? No, I can't see freedom. I can't go get a freedom and bring it over here. So that means it is an abstract noun. Now, if it's abstract, that tells me that I need to highlight in green, and that is number 2. So I'll scroll up. Anything that is green, I will color in, anything that is a 2, I'll color in green. After you have followed along and colored in the ones that I have, looks like 1 still needs to be colored in right here, that yellow one. You can finish 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then you will be complete for your grammar skill for today. We are going to be testing on abstract and concrete nouns later next week.